Harappan Indus civilization 2500 BC to 1750 BC. First, the Harappan civilization was discovered in the year A 1901, B 1921, C 1935, D 1942, and answer is B 1921. Second, Lothal is a site where dockyard of which of the following civilization was found? A. Indus Valley, B. Mesopotamian, C. Egyptian, D. Persian, and answer is A. Indus Valley. Third, the people of the Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses of A. Pucca bricks, B. Stone, C. Wood, D. All of this, and the answer is A. Pucca bricks. Fourth, the Indus Valley people traded with the A. Chinese, B. Mesopotamians, C. Parthians, D. Romans, and the answer is B. Mesopotamians. Fifth, the Indus Valley civilization was known Aryan because A. It was urban, B. It has a pictographic script, C. It had an agricultural economy, D. It extended up to the Narmada Valley, and answer is A. It was urban. Sixth, all the following statements regarding the Indus Valley civilization are correct except A. The Indus Valley civilization was an advanced urban civilization. B. Iron was not unknown the people. C. It is difficult to say which race the people belonged. D. The people knew nothing about agriculture. And answer is D. The people know nothing about agriculture. Seventh, the local name of Mohenjo-daro is A. Mound of the Living, B. Mound of the Great, C. Mound of the Dead, D. Mound of the Survivor, and answer is C. Mound of the Dead. Eighth, the Indus Valley civilization specialized in A. Town planning, B. Architecture, C. Craftsmanship, D. All of these, and answer is A. Town planning. Ninth, the famous figure of a dancing girl found in the excavation of Mohenjo-daro was made of A. Terracotta, B. Statite, C. Bronze, D. Red limestone, and answer is C. Bronze. 10th, which of the following animals was not known to the Indus Valley civilization? A. Bull, B. Horse, C. Elephant, D. Giraffe, and the answer is D. Giraffe. 11th, out of the following remains excavated in Indus Valley civilization, which one indicates the commercial and economic development? A. Pottery, B. Seals, C. Boats, D. Houses, and answer is B. Seals. 12th, the earliest city discovered in India was A. Harappa, B. Rangpur, C. Mohenjo-daro, D. Sindh, and answer is A. Harappa. 13th, which one of the following Indus civilization site gives evidence of a dockyard? A. Harappa, B. Lothal, C. Mohenjo-daro, D. Rakhigarhi, and answer is B. Lothal. 14th, which one of the following statements regarding Harappan civilization is correct? A. The standard Harappan seals were made of clay. B. The inhabitants of Harappa had neither knowledge of copper nor bronze. C. The Harappan civilization was rural based. D. The inhabitants of Harappan grew and used cotton, and answer is D. The inhabitants of Harappa grew and used cotton. 15th, an advanced water management system of Harappan times has been unearthed at A. Dholavira, B. Lothal, C. Kalibangan, D. Alamgirpur, and answer is A. Dholavira. 16. From which one of the following places remains of walls have been found in houses belonging to the developed stage of Indus Valley civilization? A. Harappa, B. Kalibangan, C. Lothal, D. Mohenjo-daro, and answer is D. Mohenjo-daro. 17. The archaeological finds from Alamgir in Ghaziabad district reflected the A. Harappa culture, B. Vedic culture, C. Mauryan culture, D. Gupta period culture, and answer is A. Harappa culture. 18th, cotton for textile was first cultivated in A. Egypt, B. Mesopotamian, C. Central America, D. India, and answer is D. India. 19. Rock cut architecture in Harappan culture context has been found at A. Kalibangan, B. Dholavira, C. Koti Diji, D. Amri, and answer is B. Dholavira. 20. Consider the following statement and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Ek Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ropar and Kalibangan are important places of Indus Valley civilization. Though Harappan people developed planned cities with network of streets and drainage system. 3. Harappan people did not know use of metals. Codes. A. Ek and do are correct. B. एक and तीन are correct. C, दो and तीन are correct. D, एक, दो and तीन are correct, and answer is A, एक and दो are correct. 21. Which one of the following was not known to the Hadappans? A. Construction of walls. B. Construction of pillars. C. Construction of drainage. D. Construction of arcs. And answer is D. Construction of arcs. 22. A copper chariot of Harappa times was discovered at A. Kuntal. B. Rakhigadi. C. Damabad. D. Banawali. And answer is C. Damabad. 23. One of the following sites which from where the famous bull seal of Indus Valley civilization was found: A. Hadappa, B. Chanduduro, C. Lothal, D. Mohenjo-daro. And answer is A. Hadappa. 24. Who discovered the Indus Valley civilization? A. Sir Leonard Woolley, B. V.S. Agarwal, C. Dayaram Sahani, D. A.L. Basam. And answer is C. Dayaram Sahani. 25. Which one of the following animals was not represented one of the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture? A. Cow, B. Elephant, C. Rhinoceros, D. Tiger. And answer is A. Cow.